For more than 100 years, the fate of the Neanderthals has puzzled scientists and historians alike. Traditionally, it was believed that modern humans, Homo sapiens, simply outcompeted and replaced Neanderthals, leading to their extinction. However, breakthroughs in paleogenetics have begun to reshape this narrative. By analyzing ancient DNA, researchers have uncovered evidence of interbreeding and complex interactions between the two species. These findings suggest that the story of Neanderthal disappearance is far more intricate than previously thought, involving a blend of genetic exchange and environmental factors. The mystery of their vanishing continues to captivate and challenge our understanding of human evolution. For much of the 20th century, Neanderthals were often portrayed as brutish and unintelligent, a stark contrast to the supposedly superior Homo sapiens. This traditional narrative suggested that Neanderthals were outcompeted or even exterminated by modern humans as they migrated into Europe. Physical differences, such as robust bones and prominent brow ridges, fueled perceptions of Neanderthals as primitive. Archaeological findings, including simple stone tools and limited evidence of symbolic behavior, reinforced the idea that Neanderthals lacked the sophistication of their human counterparts. These interpretations shaped scientific and popular views for decades, casting Neanderthals as evolutionary dead ends. Only recently have new discoveries begun to challenge this long-standing perspective. The recovery and sequencing of Neanderthal DNA marked a significant milestone in the study of human evolution. Technological advances, such as the first successful genome sequencing in 2010, allowed scientists to extract genetic material from ancient, often degraded bones. Innovations like ZooMS, a technique that uses protein mass spectrometry to identify species from tiny bone fragments, further expanded the possibilities. These breakthroughs transformed fragmentary remains, once considered nearly useless, into valuable archives of genetic and historical information. Researchers can now reconstruct aspects of Neanderthal biology, migration, and interaction with early modern humans. The ability to analyze ancient DNA has opened new windows into our shared past, reshaping our understanding of human ancestry and evolution. Recent genetic research has provided clear evidence that Neanderthals and modern humans interbred. Scientists have identified hybrid individuals whose DNA contains significant Neanderthal genetic material, particularly among early European Homo sapiens. Groundbreaking studies, such as the sequencing of ancient genomes from sites like the Oasi Cave in Romania, have revealed that some early humans had Neanderthal ancestors just a few generations back. Additionally, the discovery of Neanderthal DNA in nearly all non-African populations today points to widespread and recurrent genetic mingling. Fossil finds and genetic analyses consistently show that interbreeding was not a rare event, but rather a common occurrence during periods of coexistence. These findings have reshaped our understanding of human evolution, illustrating a complex web of interactions between different hominin groups. Recent discoveries in ancient DNA and archaeological research have dramatically reshaped our understanding of Neanderthals. Sites such as Cima de los Huesos in Spain and locations in Crimea have provided compelling evidence that Neanderthals were highly advanced and adaptable. Genetic studies reveal that they were capable of long-distance migrations across vast stretches of Eurasia, suggesting a level of mobility once thought impossible for early humans. Archaeological findings indicate symbolic behaviors, including the use of pigments and the creation of ornaments, pointing to complex cognitive abilities. Mortuary practices, such as deliberate burials, further demonstrate their sophisticated social and cultural life. These insights collectively challenge outdated perceptions, highlighting Neanderthals as innovative and resourceful members of the human family. The disappearance of Neanderthals as a distinct lineage was shaped by a combination of intricate factors. Their relatively small population size made them vulnerable to environmental changes and demographic pressures. As Homo sapiens expanded across Eurasia, competition for resources intensified, further challenging Neanderthal survival. Genetic incompatibilities may have limited their ability to thrive alongside modern humans. Over time, interbreeding between Neanderthals and Homo sapiens led to the gradual absorption of Neanderthal genetic material into the modern human gene pool. Today, traces of Neanderthal DNA persist in many people, evidence of this ancient assimilation rather than complete extinction. Thus, while Neanderthals disappeared as a separate group, their genetic legacy continues within us. Neanderthal DNA continues to shape the genetic makeup of modern non-African populations, leaving a lasting legacy in traits like immunity, hair texture, and skin characteristics. These genetic contributions have helped humans adapt to diverse environments and resist certain diseases. The presence of Neanderthal genes in contemporary people highlights the complex interactions and interbreeding that occurred thousands of years ago. This enduring influence reminds us that human history is not a simple, linear story, but rather a rich tapestry woven from migration, mixing, and shared ancestry. Understanding these connections deepens our appreciation for the diversity and resilience of our species. Ultimately, the legacy of Neanderthals is a testament to the interconnectedness of all humanity. Subscribe to this channel for more.